How to make wireframed objects, updated version. I am going to make certain parts wireframed by clicking my object, then clicking Tab to go into edit mode. Then I will use the L key to select the parts I want to be wireframed. These are the parts I have selected. With the parts selected, click P on your keyboard, then click Selection to detach it from the whole object. Now click Tab to get out of edit mode, and then select those parts we just attached. Now go to the Modifiers tab and add a wireframe modifier. It will look kinda crazy at first, but in a wireframe modifier, uncheck the even box and then check off the relative box. Now it should look wireframed like this. Now go into edit mode and then click A to select everything. And then do Alt-J on your keyboard to make the wireframe a bit cleaner. Then click Tab to get out of edit mode. And then you can adjust the thickness slider to your desired thickness of the wireframe. Once you've found your desired thickness, you can now apply the modifier. Now you can combine the wireframed parts back to the original model by clicking the wireframed parts. Then hold Shift and click the original model, and then do Ctrl-J on your keyboard. Like and subscribe for more short tutorial videos. Thank you for watching.